Coffee infused with Ganoderma. A simple yet brilliant idea. Master distributor and co-founder, Mr. Shane Morand.
And the genius here is Bernie figured out how to put this amazing herb into coffee and tea, hot chocolate and mocha, things that, you see, we don't have to think about consuming. And so it's genius that he figured out how to put this herb that people don't have to think about. They're just drinking it, not once in a while, but multiple times every single day. That's genius.
Coffee, one of the world's most consumed beverages, second only to tea and water. The second largest traded commodity after oil. A beverage enjoyed in virtually every single culture in the world. Almost 500 million cups a day in North America alone, and growing. Executive Vice President of International Sales, Mr. Holton Buggs.
So for me, I start to put my business mind around the concept of coffee and its simplicity. And for the previous 18 years, I had done network marketing based off of products that people needed. And it required a sales skill. It required convincing. This concept was around a product that people wanted. And what I've realized is that people don't spend money on things that they need, but they do spend money on things that they want. And everywhere around the world, people wake up to their favorite brand of coffee. And now our goal is to make that brand the OrganoGold brand.